ISBN. The code is recorded as given on the document as 10 digits, separated into 4 parts by hyphens. When a multi-volume work has a different ISBN for each volume. For example, edition number. This field should be completed only when an edition statement appears on the resource. These may include dates. The edition statement has a standard format and may only include Arabic numerals. Place of publication. Enter in this field the place and country of the publisher as indicated on the document. For example, publisher. Enter the name of the publisher in the form found on the item. In the presence of several publishers, enter the names of the publisher in separate fields. Date of publication. The date is standardized, abbreviated, and written in the same field of the following formats: 1. Date, month, and year. 2. Season, year. 3. Month, year. And 4. Year. Collation. Use this field to describe the physical extent of 1. A documentary unit expressed in pages, number, parts, supplement used independently or in combination. 2. The duration or the dimensions of the resource. And 3. Digital resources. Language of text. Language is a necessary element for all types of resources, including those in which the text is only a summary. Click on the List button to select language from the language codes. Summary statement is necessary when the literary indicator E is selected. If a summary is included in the document, enter the word summary or summaries with the language code and enclose them in brackets. Notes. Enter as a note any information necessary for the identification of the item. For example, 2 tables, 7 illustrations, and 55 references. The block of fields about availability is the following. First is location. It's necessary when the literary indicator V is selected. Enter the address of the Agris Resource Center of the address of the institute where the serial is available. Number. It's necessary when the literary indicator V is selected. This field is used for a number or code that is uniquely associated with an item and serves to identify that item within an organization. Recommended best practice is to identify the resource by means of a string or number conforming to a formal identification system. Database. This subfield is used to provide information to identify the source of records in a collection center. for example, in a regional WEBAGRIS network. For example, it is used to identify the database or source in the case of harvest data. The block of fields about online availability is the following. URL. This field provides the online availability of the resource. Enter the web address to this resource. For example, restrict access. This field provides the internal availability of the resource. Checkbox if the online resource is restricted for internal use only. File extension. This field is used to identify the type of files of the online resource. The following file extensions are provided. For example, HTML, XML, TXT, PDF, among others. One important aspect is that the block of availability and online availability is present in the levels M and S. If we select the worksheet MS or AMS, these blocks must be filled in the level M, but if you select the worksheet AS, the block must be filled in the level S. Language. This is a necessary element for all types of resources, including those in which the text is only a summary. You can click on the list button to select language from language codes.